All right, here we go. Alitura Clay Mask. So this is for a couple people. Non-metallic spoons, so you maintain the good electromagnetic capabilities of the bentonite clay. So that's about, let's see, that should be enough. I have my essential oils here. Lemongrass. Lang Lang. If it ever pop the top off. Come on, there we go. Looks like I need another one. Black pepper. Sweet orange oil. I do about 2 to 4 of each, and then the kicker, gold serum. Bragg's organic raw apple cider vinegar. I've been doing this for a while, so I just eyeball it, but it's about a 1-to-1 ratio of clay mask mix. I need a little bit more to apple cider vinegar. Now, some people use aloe vera juice, rose water, Gerolsteiner. Oops. Gerolsteiner, the mineral water actually works really good as well. Jeez, we're making a mess all over my line. All right, so here we go. Then that's ideal right there. So it's like a mousse. And then we'll just apply it.